triangle law of vectors. Now, what this means, I have already explained you about this. Now let's define it. Now, if 3 points O, A and B, if 3 points O, A and B, now here it is O, here it is A and here it is B. Now, so chosen that directed line segment OA. Now directed line means we have to mention a direction. So directed line segment OA represents vector A. Directed line segment OA represents vector A, and directed line segment AB represents vector B. Then vector OB from O to B, now this part. Then OB, we can write it vector OB is defined as sum of vector A and vector B, is defined as sum of the vector A and vector B, and is represented as vector OB is sum of the two vectors like this. Okay. Now vector OB or sum of vector A and vector B is also called resultant of vector A and vector B. Is it clear? Now sum of A and B is represented in a triangle from O to B. This is called a triangle law for vector. This is called triangle law of vector. Okay, this is called a triangle law of vector. Now, okay, this is a table. Okay, now what it is? The method of drawing a triangle in order to define the vector sum the method of drawing a triangle in order to define the vector sum a plus b or a followed by b is called triangle law of addition of vectors. Basically, this is what exactly triangle means. So this is just a tip for you that from where we are getting triangle law of a vector.